This elegant Mediterranean-style home rests on 2 lovely view acres. With 19-foot ceilings and oversized windows and sweeping circular stairway, you will feel the drama of the formal areas. The cherry wood cabinetry adds to the elegance. The family room is adjacent to the oversized kitchen and has a slider to the rear patio and outside kitchen. A library completes the main floor. The spacious master bedroom has ensuite bathroom and private balcony. There are 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath, plus a bonus room upstairs. Outside, a sand volleyball court, horseshoe pit, family fruit trees, and RV parking provide a perfect backdrop for the family that likes to play together. Welcome home to the good life. On 2 acres, 3,200 square feet, the seller will entertain offers between $559,000 and $649,000. For more information, press send info to my email or send info to my phone.